because we are asked to pass this document, which shows the pay scales. You will see that there are 12 pay scale points there that are less than the real living wage. The real living wage is considered to be to £8.58 per hour for everywhere outside of London. I would wish that we as an authority becomes a real living wage employer and to be accredited so I would propose that we should start discussions with the Living Wage Foundation to start that journey. It's not something we can do overnight. It'll be quite expensive to achieve, but I would like us to go back and that a policy put in front of us how we as an authority can develop to become a real living wage employer, and when we accept that we can have the pay scales accordingly.
Councillor Glenn Swingler.
Thank you. From a Freedom of Information request at the end of last year, we had just over 1,000 of Denbishire's employees were earning below the real living wage. 960 odd of those were women. Just like to point that out. Thank you.
About national living wage, certainly I would have no problem with bringing back a paper which would actually detail the actual costings involved with that. I know a few years ago.
Real living wage.
Sorry.
Real living wage. Yeah.
Sorry. Yes, you're quite right.